Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. India's Kapil Parmar won bronze in men's 60 kg J1 para judo, bringing the nation's tally to 25 medals. India's archers Harvinder Singh and Pooja lost the bronze medal match in the mixed recurve open event. Family of a raped and murdered trainee doctor accused Kolkata police of bribery and covering up the case, claiming her body was hastily cremated. Governor C.V. Ananda Bose slammed the West Bengal administration over its handling of the protests regarding the doctor's death, stating that the government is going from wrong to wrong. President Murmu urged that respect for women must go beyond words and be reflected in practice, highlighting the roles of parents and teachers ensuring the children uphold women's dignity. Vladimir Putin suggested that India, China and Brazil could mediate in Ukraine peace talks, pointing to early negotiations that failed during the war's onset. Muhammad Yunus claimed that attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh were politically motivated and not communal, criticizing India's portrayal of the issue. In an ironic remark, Putin expressed support for Kamala Harris in the US elections following a recent allegations of Russian interference in the US politics. The Delhi High Court issued a contempt notice to Wikipedia for failing to provide information on edits on ANI page, warning it could face ban in India. It is time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa defended the pause on the award of a Udupi principal involved in the hijab row, calling for a review on his treatment of students. A BJP shade lettered ordered renovation near the seminar hall where the doctor was found dead, fueling suspicious of evidence tampering. In a horrific incident, metal fragments of an Air India Express plane were discovered in Delhi's Vasantpur area. The aircraft was recalled after the incident. Canada's Jagmeet Singh's NDP pulled support from Justin Trudeau's government, creating political uncertainty and raising concerns of early elections. The CBI argued against granting bail to Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor policy case, warning it could demoralize the Delhi High Court. Andhra Pradesh announced essential commodities for flood-affected families, including rice, dal and palm oil starting September 6. A 15-year-old Hindu boy was brutally attacked inside a police station in Khulna district of Bangladesh over false allegation of making derogatory remarks about the Prophet Muhammad. French President Macron named Michel Barnier as Prime Minister, facing the challenge of overcoming political paralysis and preparing the 2025 budget amid a divided parliament. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.